In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress step by step using a free and very popular plugin. Multi-column or mega menus are perfect if you have a lot of pages, categories, or links, and you want your website navigation to look clean, professional, and easy to use. This works great for blogs, business websites, and online stores. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage everything on your website. Once you're inside the dashboard, head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Max Mega Menu. This is the plugin we'll be using to create multi-column drop-down menus. When you see Max Mega Menu in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate. After the plugin is activated, you'll see a new menu option called Max Mega Menu in your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and then go to Menu Locations. This is where you connect the Mega Menu functionality to your existing WordPress menu. Now look for your primary menu, which is usually the main navigation menu on your website. Click on Primary Menu to open its settings. Inside the Settings panel, click on General Settings. Here, you'll see an option to enable Max Mega Menu for this menu location. Make sure you check the Enable checkbox, then save your changes. This step is very important because without enabling it, the mega menu won't work. Next, go to Appearance and then click on Menus. This takes you to the standard WordPress menu editor. Choose the menu you want to turn into a multi-column drop-down menu. Once your menu is selected, hover over one of the top-level menu items. You'll notice a new Mega Menu button appear. Click on the Mega Menu button. This opens the Mega Menu configuration panel. From here, you can start adding multiple columns to your dropdown. Use the plus column button to add new columns, then drag and drop menu items into each column. You can organize links exactly how you want, creating clean and structured multi-column layouts. You can add headings, links, and even widgets depending on your setup. Take a moment to customize the layout so it fits your website design and navigation needs. Once you're happy with the layout, save the menu. Now visit the front end of your website and hover over the menu item you edited. You should see your new multi-column drop-down menu live and working. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a multi-column drop-down menu in WordPress using the Max Mega Menu plugin. This is one of the easiest and most powerful ways to improve your site navigation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.